Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Web Development. Web development essentials include HTML, the layout of page elements across the page, CSS, the styling of page elements on the page, and JavaScript, the changing of a static page to a dynamic page. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites and web applications. It involves designing, coding, and building the elements that make up a website. Web development skills are in high demand in the job market. Businesses and individuals use websites for various purposes, including e-commerce, marketing, production, and services. Front-end versus back-end development. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with on a website. Back-end development involves server-side processes and data handling. Full-stack development. They are proficient in both front-end and back-end development. They can build complete web applications. Tools and technologies. Web development involves using various tools and technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. Getting started is easy. All you need is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. More advanced elements like databases, libraries, and frameworks will come later. Answer these 10 questions to help the learning. 1. Do you have any questions about what web development is and why it's important? If so, please review Module 1. 2. What is front-end development? 3. Development skills are in high demand, true or false? 4. How is CSS used on a web page? 5. How is JavaScript used on a web page? 6. How is HTML used on a web page? 7. What is an example of e-commerce being used on a web page? 8. What is an example of marketing being used on a web page? 9. What is an example of a service being used on a web page? 10. What is an example of web pages being used in production? Please see and use code, exercises, quizzes, and questions for Module 1 to improve your learning and skills. Enjoy the learning.